How do I know if I need a hair transplantation or medical management? The first step starts with doing a consultation with myself or my associate, Dr. Matt Goldstein. We will take an inventory of your history and do an evaluation of your scalp and hair follicles. We have multiple tools, including evaluation with loop magnification that we wear on our heads, follicle scope analysis, and also AI analysis, looking at hair density and volume using a device called HairMetrix. All of this goes into a determination of what the plan is going to be. There are multiple factors that go into deciding whether somebody is a hair transplant candidate or a medical management candidate or both. And typically, patients that are younger, that have a strong family history, that are just starting to have hair loss, we generally will recommend doing medical management first, seeing how much we can stabilize and possibly regenerate. For those that are older, who have more hair loss, especially along the frontal hairline, oftentimes hair transplant is going to be the main treatment for hair loss to the frontal hairline. Oftentimes we see people with thinning in the middle scalp and in the crown, which is in the back top portion of the head. And medical management is oftentimes the first step prior to doing hair transplantation. If you're considering being evaluated for hair transplantation versus medical management, consultation with a physician is vital to determine what your short-term and long-term needs are.